Welcome back everyone. So how you can change your brightness setting in Windows 11. Okay, so how you can do that? First of all, open the settings, search the setting in the start bar and open it, and now you can see the systems option. Okay, the first option you select the display. Okay, so click on display. Here you can see brightness. Okay, you can control your brightness from here. Okay, and also if you explore this option, you can see there also one option, okay, here on battery or always or off. Okay, so this kind of option you can select as your laptop or your desktop according to as you wish. And so that's it, how you can control your brightness. Okay, so that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video, and if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.